All right, guys, so we are working on putting the diesel heater in, and so if you can tell, this is the entry, and we're going to put it right to the right of the door. So basically what we did is we cut a hole and we put this big piece of board, and then we're going to cut where the where it mounts, basically the heater mounts, and we're going to cut around. And then we have to cut underneath the trailer. So we'll just do these in segments, but as you can tell, we are moving along quite nicely. That's going to be the shelf. It's going to go to the door, or to the right of the door. And then there's our bed. But for this segment, we'll basically just start focusing on the diesel heater. And we'll show you the next steps here in just a sec.
I cannot say, but I know you will. But you can't lie to me with all these books that you sell. I'm not trying to follow you to the end of the world. I'm just trying to leave something behind.
Hey guys, so we're still putting on the diesel, and what we did is this part needs to go down into basically the outside of the trailer. So you'll see in the previous video, we cut 2 holes, and with any luck, it will fit. Boom, just like that. And then these 4 holes on the outside, we will be able to screw that in and continue on connecting it. See ya. All right, so now we're putting on the nuts, and most of the stuff is from China, so we're just making sure that it's good quality stuff. If not, we will basically get some more. And then we basically did those nuts just snug tight, and that is what it will look like. On to the next step. All right, so now we're putting on the exhaust, and so this is the exhaust, and we don't want it to make sure that the little cute muffler actually fit. One thing we noticed is, let's see if I can find it. It might be on this side. Right here. There's a little bit of a crack, but I don't think it's really going to make a difference. And some people that we saw online, they were even saying that there's like nothing in here to even really filter it. But we checked it, and there's a little, you can see it right there, the ribs. And then we made sure that this piece fits on this end piece. And it just took a little bit of elbow grease to get it in there. So we will do that, and then this will go on this side. Oops, on this side. And so basically your exhaust line is going to be the farthest away from the fuel line, which is right here. So that's where this section's going to go. It comes with some clamps, but we're just going to get some clamps that we have here, because we've heard that those clamps strip out and really aren't made very well. So we'll just get some better ones and do it the right way first time. So we got these all clamped on, and then we also, in the previous one I didn't show you, was this, which is the fuel line. So got that covered, clamped, fuel line, and then we are ready to put it in.
I cannot say, but I know you will. But you can't lie to me with all these books that you sell. I'm not trying to follow you to the end of the world. just trying to leave something behind. Words have come from many mouths, oh, but I can't help thinking that I've heard the wrong crowd. When all the